So now let's see how we can work around with the if condition inside of Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I have some discount range, I have some price range. So let's say I want to display something like high discount if it is more than 40% and low discount if it is less than 40% over here on the cell. So in that case, I can easily use an if condition. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and then pull this out. And what I need to do is I need to add in an if condition. So I'm going to press equals on my keyboard, and then I'm going to press if right here and then open up the bracket. So I need to have a cell which I take as a reference. So I'm going to go around over here onto the discount range right here. So F2 is the cell, the reference cell right here, which is going to be the deciding point for what is to be displayed on the cell. So once I select that, I'm going to press the comma key on my keyboard, and it says value if true. So it actually gives you the hint, even if you don't know how to use the formula right here. It says that example, if A2 is equal to foo right here, this is this one, as you can see. I forgot to do one thing, right? If F2 is what I want to, let's say, for example, is greater than 40%, let's say, for example, if F2 is greater than 40%, then I want to say high discount. So I'm not adding a number or anything, I'm adding a text. And to add in a text, you need to add in two inverted commas right here. So I'm going to say something like high discount, just like this. So this is going to be high discount right here. And then I can press comma right here. And if the formula is not correct, I can go around over here and say low discount, just like this. So once I do that, this is what I have. I can close the bracket, press enter, and you can see that there you go. There's the low discount because this is actually less than 40%. I can click and drag this, and this is a high discount, as you can see. Click and drag everything, and this is how it actually works out. So you can see that 90% says high discount right here, 50% says high discount, and 70% says high discount, while 4% is low discount, and so forth. And that is how you can use the if condition to generate out the data according to the data that you might have over here on the left side. And that is how it works. So that is how you can use the if condition inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.